Hello, this is Yoshi. Okay, lecture 41, a crying crawl. This is what you're going to make. All right, square shaped paper, fold diagonal, make a big triangle. This one is really fun, okay? Unfold and fold long triangle and do the same for the both side. Turn over the paper. This is where you are at right now. Fold sharp end at the tip of the other end. Okay, then turn over the entire paper. It will look like this. Then fold long triangle as if just to cover the white side. And do the same for the other side as well. Unfold the long sharp triangle and create a bigger size long triangle. Insert your finger and open it. It will look like this now. Okay, unfold the other side and do the same thing. Now this is what you have done so far. And reverse the sharp end, longer side. Fold at the middle. And your paper should look like this, and small thin triangle is in the center. And fold at the center. Small thin flapping triangle is now inside. And take this small triangle outside by pulling it. You just need to give some pressure to pull this out. And do the same for the opposite side as well. Now fold the long end triangle to the bottom of paper, like this. Now from here, mark the line by bending this overlapped area. This technique was used at a sunshade of cap. Similarly, mark the line for the other side as well. Like this. Opposite side as well. Pick up the center where you marked right now and incline that area, that raised area. Now the first marked area also do the same, like bill of the cap, the sunshade of the cap, and incline that as well and press tight. Now this really looks like a claw now. Inclined area is the face, so draw an eye for one end. Pull the body side towards you, then the claw's beak will open. When you reverse, actually beak will close. Have a fun, enjoy it. Okay, this is a supplement video for a crying crawl. Hi, lecture 41 is a crying crawl. Ah, ah. Okay, triangle. This is what we are going to make. Big triangle, then long triangle. Long triangle. Are we doing the same again? Like a swan or duck? No. Crying crow is very different, and this is similar to duck or swan. So please watch. But from here it's different. Long end. The tip of long end is going to be on the other side. Turn over again. And then turn over the paper and fold long triangle.
white side
to cover the white side.
and do the same for the other side. So no white is shown.
Okay. Then open here and to make a wide long triangle like this.
A long triangle.
The bottom side as well.
Open and fold long triangle. There's no white still. There's no white.
And now
and turn over the paper, and this is two flapping triangles.
Doing like this.
That's what we're going to work on.
So inside there's a flapping triangles there, but that will be covered by making it half. Fold at the center.
Okay.
And this flapping triangle, you need to pull this out.
And pull this flapping triangle towards outside, like this.
The upper side, as well as the bottom side.
Flapping triangle towards outside.
You need to pull a little strongly. Okay.
This looks like a crown.
People question, how can this become a claw, right?
Then fold.
So from here,
this triangle,
fold a sharp end to the bottom of the line. And this one.
And mark the line here.
He's marking line. Grandpa Tsukara is marking lines. One end, as well as this end.
Watch this. You can understand what he's doing.
Okay.
But I strongly
then this side
at the same
also
time,
he's marking lines.
By yourself and repeat. And the top side, fold.
And this side is also.
Fold.
Okay, now this is where you learned sunshade of cap.
Will look like
raise
this.
the midpoint
Now it's
and incline it.
Crawl.
The first one also. Raise and incline it.
Raise and bend the same way.
And fold at half. Fold at the center. Okay, this becomes a claw.
Does this look like a claw? You will see. Very interesting one.
And draw an eye.
Draw eyes.
On one end.
When we were doing it, he didn't have a magic pen, magic marker.
Okay.
He used the ballpoint pen. Now,
this is a crying craw. Pull.
Craw!
Craw! Craw! Okay, this is crying craw. Okay, next week is going to be the final week, and we'll do crane.